Today, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. More tech videos coming very soon. Today what we're doing, we're going to have an unboxing and first look at this VILTROX VL-162T LED video light. So this is a portable light that can be connected to any camera, DSLR, video cameras, to give you that extra brightness, that extra crispiness that you're looking for your videos, for your photos. It can also be used as a tripod, so you can light up the background or backdrop. So many uses here. We're going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Alright, VILTROX LED Video Light Professional Light, it says. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. First thing we got here, looks like we have some colored filters that can attach to the light. So we have green, we have the standard clear one, we have the red as well as blue, so you can get pretty creative with using these. Next we got the instruction booklet, shouldn't need that. And then here we go, this is the light itself. So it's a full LED array. On the back side you'll notice that there is a LCD screen with a dimmer here, so the brightness can go from a 20% to 100% in the color temperature ranging from 3300 to 5600. Now there's many different uses, of course. With this you have the colored filters lights. It also included in the box here, we will see that there is the adapter to connect it to video cameras or DSLR cameras. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in and see how it works. Alright, on the back you also notice that it has a little slot here for a battery pack. Unfortunately this model did not come with the battery pack, so certainly be aware with that if you're shopping for these. A lot of them I have noticed do not come with a battery pack there. So how these work, you'll see that there are 4 magnets here. You just simply pop these on just like so, get it lined up, and right there, and they stay on. You see it's not going to come off or it's loose, so that's good, easy to use. So we got a trusty little power port, as there is an AC input here for power, and then you have your off and on lights. So we'll go ahead and plug this in, and boom, there we go. So by default it's going to be on the 20%, and then it does get pretty bright. So we'll go ahead and increase the brightness there so you can see. And there we go, that is 100% brightness. So if you have 2 of these, you can really do a really big backdrop. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Real easy, real simple to use. The price of this, which you're probably wondering about, you can find this online anywhere between, the lowest I've seen it is right about $30. On Amazon right now, I believe it's $36, but it's a great light for the value. There's many different options, but I found this one to be one of the better ones, one of the more reliable ones. But certainly, again, double check the listing there, make sure you do get a battery or an AC port included. Otherwise, you'll have a light and you won't have any way to use it, or you're going to really make sure it works. So definitely make sure to check that out. But I appreciate you guys joining in and checking this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, lots more tech videos coming very soon. And I appreciate you guys' viewership, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.